So this is the back shock for the CI80 1985, 1986 and 1987 CI80s are the same. What this is just it now, we're just going to be stripping all this down, get them off, nip them clamps down so we can get that off there, get the spring off. But anyway, we'll start stripping it down now. I'm going to clean everything, polish everything and get the blue spring painted as well. So we've got this in the vise, we'll just loosen this nut off first and then we'll do the other side. And that's the nut off this. There's a thin washer and a black seal what looks a bit damaged. That's what's on that side anyway. So now we'll put in the vise and take this side off. All that oil's just dropped out there, out the shopper bottle when it's been tipped upside down. More might tip out. Yeah. So keep that upright. Right, we'll get this pipe off. And that's that side off. It hasn't got the washer like the other side, but it's still got a rubber bush. And that's it there. There's nothing inside of there where it's come out of. So now when you get here, this one's normally down there. Knock that one all the way up. This one's too hard to knock because it's still compressed with that. And the spring's kept on by the bottom there. All this. So you want this as far as this is possible so the spring can move. So now we're going to put these spring compressors on, nip the spring, take that up to there, and we'll be able to get the spring out from the bottom from that cup. And that's the tool locked on both sides. Lock that side and that side, and it's nipped the spring down. As you can see now, you can see a gap in there, so this will tap round easy now. So I'll tap this round all the way up here, and now with the two compressors on, it's nipped the spring. Like I said before, I've pushed that second one all the way up to the top one, so there's a gap now. So if you watch now, this should be all slack because it's got the compressors on still. Let's figure out how that pops out. And that middle bit pops out of there. So once the middle bit has popped out the circle bit, that gap there, we just need that gap over the silver bit, which is there. And that's that out. That's what it looks like. That's the bottom bit. Put that there. And just take this bolt out of there. The spring will just slide off. There's the spring. I'll be getting that painted. This will pop off next. Put that bolt back in there. So we'll get into here next. It's on one, it just looks like it isn't on tight. So on the bottom of the fork leg, there's a little circle there. Just bang that off by that. There's one at the other side as well. That's it now, that's the seal. Just pull that off. Pull that off. There's the seal that I showed before. I've got the seal up. Pull the seal up. And you bang this down, this bit here. Bang it down. And you'll see a circlip round the outside of it. Let's see if I can. don't know if you can just see the circlip edges there. There's a circlip there. So we'll take that circlip out next. So now that's just slipping out. Just there. And they should just slide out now like a slide hammer. Just put it over there. Inside of there. Now let's get a rag and wipe that. That's the damper rod. All out now. That's all there is to it. There's that part with a black rubber ring round that spring, and this will come off when I take that nut off, to take everything off, but and that seal there as well in the full damper. So that's the video of dismantling it. Once I order the seals, get the spring painted, I'll be rebuilding it. Alright, thanks for watching.